LYKA. Is that a name? Uh-uh-uh. It's the latest social media application that will allow you to earn as you do the usual things that you do on social media. Want to find out more? Please continue watching. It's a great day to share something new and interesting. And for today's video, I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know about LYKA. I'm sure maybe you've already heard about this either on the news, on social media, from a friend. LYKA. What's this? You guys, let's talk about what LYKA is. To make it easy to understand, LYKA is basically just like Facebook. Seriously, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube combined, plus TikTok. It's a social media application, but what makes it really controversial and interesting is the fact that as you post, as you like, as you comment on something, you'll be earning money. And that's actually what they call gems. The currency in the Leica application is called gems. So every time you earn gems, it means you are earning money. You're earning pesos. You're earning money, actual money. Like seriously, I don't know how to be clearer than that. You're earning money as you earn gems. And the good thing about that is every time you post something, you get gems. Every time someone likes your post or technically gives you gems for that post, you earn money. And I'm not lying, guys. I'll be sharing you a video clip where I'm just randomly going through the like in TikTok, the For You page, this random home screen with people I don't know. And I'm just like liking their post, like. And again, the like term, it's used for Facebook. I'm so sorry, I'm so used to it. But in Leica, you're going to be rating every post by giving them 2 gems, 3 gems, 5 gems. And every time you do that, you also earn money. Yes, it's only a few centavos, but accumulating all the activity you do on your social media account, every like, every comment, every rating, you will be earning a few centavos until it becomes pesos, until the pesos become thousands of pesos, until it becomes millions. I'm not exaggerating, guys. It's possible for it to become millions. I've already seen this on news that there's this Leica app user who was able to buy a car worth 3 million pesos out of the gems that she got from this application. It's amazing, right? But of course, the goal of this video is to share with you everything you need to know about this application, which means the good and the bad, the advantages and the disadvantages. So, are we going to talk about the good first or the bad? Let's talk about the good first. I'd like to share with you the advantages of using the Leica app, the pros. So first off, just like what I've mentioned earlier, the Leica app allows you to earn. Did you know, guys, that the Philippines is the social media capital of the world? Like seriously, based on studies, we Filipinos, we spend like a minimum of 4 hours every day for social media. And this application is really, something beneficial to us Filipinos because considering that we are the social media capital of the world, why not switch from, using, let's say, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok to an application, a social media application that allows you to do the same things that you do on the other social media platforms at the same time, get to earn money as you use it. It's amazing, right? You know what, guys? We small YouTubers, the reason why we also upload and upload and upload, besides the fact that we love our subscribers, is because we want to earn revenue. We want to get monetized. And let's say for YouTube, it requires 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers for you to get money from the work that you do. And in the Leica app, by just doing nothing, by just simply liking a post, and I'm sorry for using the word like, by giving gems to a post, sort of like liking it, you get to earn money. Like seriously, I just started using the application today, and every time I just liked a post, I gave it gems. I also get to earn money. I also posted my very first post, and this was in relation to my event hosting job. I also earned, I think that was 50 centavos. Yes, it's just 50 centavos. But imagine if I upload, I'm earning money as I upload. If I will be, calculating everything that I've uploaded on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram in my life, then maybe I would have already been a millionaire by now. So once again, the first advantage is the Leica application allows you to earn as you enjoy your social media business, your social media application. Now, the second advantage, of course, is that um, it's very Gen Z. It's very millennial. It's a modern application. You know why? Because you can use your Leica app to actually pay for transactions. You eat at a restaurant, you use Leica Gems to pay. You want to buy something, you use your Leica Gems to pay for that purchase. Like literally, it's like incorporating Gcash, Gcash or online banking to a social media application. Right? All the gems that you have earned from all the social media activity, you can use that to pay different merchants. And we have, different merchants. I'll be showing you different merchants here. Let's say Ramanagi. Sorry, I don't eat there, but I know it's a good ramen restaurant. And imagine, without having to bring cash, you're just gonna use your gems to make a purchase to eat that delicious ramen. Or let's say you want to eat at Mexicali. Okay, without using cash, you're just gonna be paying using your Leica gems. This is the future, guys. Like honestly, this is paperless to the nth level, boss level, paperless. So that's the second advantage, guys. It's good as money. It's good as money. You can use it for uh, basic transactions that you usually do, eating at a restaurant or purchasing something. There's even a Leica mall where you get to buy, let's say, an iPhone or a Louis Vuitton bag using your Leica gems. This is the future, people. And the third advantage, you guys, is its calling and messaging feature. But I think it's still under maintenance right now when I last checked. But then again, in one application, you get to do some online banking. You get to earn money, you get to post, you get to reconnect with people, and at the same time, you also get to use it for calling and messaging people. So, this is really an amazing application. It's like the Voltus 5 version of all the big social media apps. Voltus 5, join forces. We have, let's say, Facebook as the head, and then YouTube as the body, then TikTok as the arms, and then the legs would be Instagram. You know, this is like the Voltus 5 version of the social media applications. And now, guys, for the bad side, the disadvantages of the Like application. Well, maybe you've already heard about this. Recently, there has been a glitch on the Leica application. I think it was a few months back when iOS 14 users had an issue with the application accessing their camera, accessing their phone settings, even though the application was turned off. In short, hindi mo ginagamit yung application, pero na-access niya for some reason yung camera mo. So ano to? Is this like a spyware? Are they watching me? Are they stalking me? Are they what? What are they doing, right? So of course it's gonna cause paranoia. But as per the Leica app CEO, they've already addressed the problem. But still, it's quite alarming considering this is a relatively new application, social media app compared to Facebook and Instagram. Now, the second disadvantage is in relation to your privacy, because the moment you sign up for Leica, the moment you download it, create an account, it's like you're selling your soul to the devil. Just kidding. It's like you're selling your personal information, not your soul, your personal information to the application. So your photos, your social media habits, your browsing habits, everything that you do on social media kind of will be used, not against you, but for the benefit of marketing. They're going to be selling the information to advertisers for advertisers to better know what to sell to you. But then again, guys, there's something here that I'd like to, kind of point out. We've already sold are sold to the devil. I mean, we've already sold our information to social media when you created your Facebook account, when you created your YouTube account, your Instagram account, your TikTok account. Because, guys, haven't you been wondering why you could use these applications for free? Like, I'm using Facebook for free. I can call my mom, do a video call, and I'm not paying a dime. So, have you ever wondered, how am I paying for it? Every time you use these social media applications, regardless if it's LYKA or not, you're paying using your data. You know, they get to study and analyze your behavior on the internet, and they get to sell that to advertisers. That's why sometimes, if you notice, when you use Facebook and you're like, you're like, looking for information on, let's say, the sushi bake. This happened maybe 6 months ago, 7 months ago, when sushi bake really boomed in Metro Manila. You just search about sushi bake, and then all of a sudden, your news feed is filled with sushi bake, sushi bake, sushi bake. Nagutom ka na talaga, at talagang napabili ka na. So, what's my point? My point is, even though this is one of the disadvantage of the Leica application, you've already done that in the past. You've already sold your information to social media the moment you downloaded Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media applications. So I think it should be okay. So there you have it, guys. Really, overall, Leica or downloading Leica is a personal decision. It's really up to you. You know, the moment you download it, you're willing to take the risks. But again and again, you already took the risk when you downloaded other social media applications. So it's really up to you. Maybe this is just my 2 cents. You know, my opinion. What I'm gonna do is maybe I'll use a spare phone, an old phone, and that phone will be for Leica only, so that I won't be doing any online banking there. I won't be doing any personal stuff there. And yes, if they decide to watch me or, do creepy things, at least it's going to be my spare phone. That's just my take on it, just to be safe. But I think this is a really great application. This is the future, guys. This is the future of social media. And this is something that you could really take advantage of while it's, still on its growing phase, because just like in YouTube, it's more difficult now to earn money from YouTube as compared before. So the latecomers, like, let's say myself, are really doing their best to upload videos. So it's better to, um, join Leica as early as possible. And again, this is just my opinion, okay? I don't want to influence you guys. I'm just sharing my thoughts to you guys. And I hope this video helped you in realizing, what Leica is all about, the pros and cons, because a lot of people have been talking about this lately. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, because um, please don't think that I'm just doing this for the sake of subscribers. This is not just for the money. I really love teaching, and you guys give me the motivation, the push to teach and upload videos that will help people, because I'm just here to share what I know to the world. And lastly, guys, if you want to get notified for my video uploads, please don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day. Stay wonderful. Bye-bye. Bye.